1969 Oldsmobile 442, loaded with options, highly detailed engine compartment. The original 400 is long gone. It's been upgraded with a late 60s Tornado 455, 390 horse, power brakes, power steering, factory air, power top, power windows. Just a super nice car. Rally wheels, all the paint, trim, chrome, etc. It's fantastic on the car. Interior is very nice. GM seat belts, interior lights, all working on it. New top with glass. Chilly today. Again, very nice cars, straight. Very nice paint.